Welcome. In this video I will show you how to check battery cycle count on iPhone 15 Pro. First, open Settings on your iPhone. In Settings, we're gonna have to scroll to the Battery menu and open it. Then scroll down to see Battery Health section. Go right here. Here you'll be able to check the current battery health state of your iPhone, maximum capacity and cycle count, which indicates the number of times that the battery on your iPhone was fully discharged. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.